Everyone, today's set of nails is a green and glass kind of mixed look, and my client didn't know what she wanted. She just said she wanted neon green, and this was what I mustered up. Not to everyone's taste, I suppose, like not everyone's into like neon colours, especially green, but it came out nice and my client really loved them. This is a new set and I did all the prep work off camera and put a clear layer down before I started adding the colour. So yeah, on the pinky I did a kind of like green fade into clear, and on this ring finger I'm just doing a green clear marble with a bit of glitter into it. And this middle finger is going to be a colour blocking design. I don't really do these very often, so I don't think that I'm very good at them, but I really wanted to give it a go on this set because it was kind of the right thing to do at the time, and I think it did come out nice. But I definitely want to try and get better at this. So I add this first triangle in and move on with the set, and then I'll come back and file it before adding the next bit. And on this pointer finger I'm just doing like a glitter fade into a clear tip. And this thumb is just exactly what I did on the pinky, so I'm just going to fade that green into a clear tip. So I'm just filing that green triangle with the hand file just to crease up the edges before I go in with some clear. So I'm going to kind of like a chevron kind of look, so I'm going to go in with this little bit of clear, try and shape that with my brush as best as I can, and then I'm going to again leave that to set before I come back to file it. So now I'm starting to encapsulate the nails, and I still need to finish off that colour block nail, but I'm just starting the encapsulation while the last chevron that I put down sets. So once I've filed this clear chevron, I'm then going to come in with that green glitter that I've been using and make another sort of thin chevron with the glitter, and then I'll put clear over the glitter to sort of encase it in so that it doesn't disappear when I come to my finish filing. filing the glitter chiffon now to crisp up those edges, and then I'll dust that off, and then I'm just going to encase the tip in clear. Now I'm going to finish file the nails, starting off with the side walls and the free edge, just to make sure that they are nice and crisp. And then I'm just going to come in with my e-file now, medium speed, using a medium flat top carbide bit just to kind of like debulk those nails and give me a bit of an easier time with my hand filing. Now I'm just coming in with my hand file, so I'm going around the cuticle area with 180 grit side with my hand file, and I do that really gently. This video is sped up quite a bit, so I'll try to be really gentle, otherwise it can feel a bit uncomfortable. But yeah, once I've gone around the cuticle, I then sort of go over the body of the nail and contour that in, making sure that I'm not filing out that apex. And then once they're all filed, I just go over quickly with a buffer, and because these are glass nails, I do wipe over them with some acetone as well, just to really smooth them out. That was a good old tip that I think we all learned from Kirsty Meekin. And now I'm just using a no wipe top coat on the pinky finger and the thumb, and curing that in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then once that's cured, I'm going to burnish in some unicorn chrome. And once that's all burnished in and dusted off, I do actually put a base coat down and cure that, and then add the top coat. This is the top coat, but I just cut the base coat out because it would kind of look the same. But I do like to put a base coat down before the top coat, because I find that chrome can tend to chip away. But yeah, so I've cleansed off all the nails of all the dust, and now I'm just going in with a placement of some Swarovski crystals. And for the bulk of this here, you see I'm using my Diamond Nail Supplies crystal resin. This stuff is like cement for your flat backs. It is so good. I have the hardest time getting the crystals off when my clients come back, but it's so worth it because there's nothing more gutting when your clients paid for crystals and they come back and they're all missing. So 99.9% of the time my clients come back with all their crystals still on, and it is thanks to this stuff. So if you want to get some, it's not very expensive. I think it's about £2 or £3 from Diamond Nail Supplies, and you can get a discount on top of that if you use my code EMMA10. Just put it in at the checkout. And I'm just putting some jewellery gel here on this middle finger, because I'm adding some oh my god, I've forgotten what you call them, the ones with the pointed backs. I can't remember the name for them, but pointed back AB crystal. I'm just kind of making like a little crystal mound there. So yeah, I'm adding those, and then that cures in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then once they come out, I'll add my no wipe top coat, which is the tack-free top shine from Diamond Nail Supplies. And yeah, I'll just let you finish the washing the video. I've left a little clip of the end product. So if you like the video, do like and subscribe. You can ask me any questions in the comments if I've forgotten to mention anything. But yeah, I'll see you in another video soon. Bye!